Dahil trending na trending nga po ang mga pinakamagaganda, pinakasexy at pinakamagagaling na girl group dito nga po sa Pilipinas ay eto, no. So manunood nga po tayo ng mga interviews nila para mas lalo natin silang makilala. Para mas lalo nating malaman ang isa't isa about sa kanila. Ang grupong Sonara. Isang kanta pa lang ang nare-release nila pero grabe na yung bulusok ng pangalan. So after ng Was, yan, ng Was Trilogy finale ng SB19, nag-perform sila ron. Doon na nagsimulang bumulusok ang pangalan at marami nang naging interesado sa kanila. Di ba? So after ng Was, nagkaroon sila agad ng performance din dito nga po sa Aurora Festival. At the same time, after neto, syempre, yung pinakang debut nila dito nga po sa Escolta, Manila, no? And then after that, nag-release ng music video, no? So yun mismong araw na yun. At the same time, ito na nga po, no? Nasa Wish Bus din sila kagabi, no? Ayun na nga po, no? So ito naman, may mga interviews na sila. Syempre, para sa mga gustong makilala pa sila, ito, may mga interviews na sila, no? So yun, papanoorin po natin yung mga interviews nila para syempre, mas lalo nating malaman yung mga about nga po sa kanila. So, let's go! Mga madam, mga sir, panoorin po natin ang interview ng Magic 89.9 dito nga po sa pinakamagaganda, pinaka-sexy at pinakamagagaling na girl group dito nga po sa Pilipinas, ang Sonara. Let's go!
Magic 89.9.
Today's best music, Magic 89.9, 17 with a song called God of Music. It is 2:04, which means it is time for World Pop. And we are starting things off with a guest, and there are 7 of them. And this is their first time in the limelight. Ladies and gentlemen, in the booth we have Sonara. What is up, girls? Yay! Okay. Since nag-debut lang, kaka-debut nyo lang last Friday to be exact, magpakilala na kayo here on air. Let's start with, sige, ikaw, Eureka.
Hello po everyone, I'm Eureka. Hello po, magandang araw po, I'm Nami.
Hi, I'm Megami.
Hi, I'm
Bisado ko na
Dominic.
yung mga yan.
Hi, I'm
Mga
Lay.
pangalan yan.
Sup, I'm Tin. Hello, everyone. I'm
Hello!
Ella.
We are Sonara.
Yes! Is this technically
Alam
yung
din.
first na... Oo, di ba? Kasi later, hindi ko napanggitin. Pero yun, they also have something later. There are 200 plus people on Kick alone. So we are live on kick.com/magic899TV. We're also live on Facebook, on the Facebook page of Magic. So a lot of your fans here have been waiting for you guys. Some of them have been here since 12 noon. So we're saying, asa na po ang Sonars ko? Wait lang guys. Wait lang. On the way pa lang sila. But you know, your official debut just started this past weekend in Escolta. Oh my gosh, I was there. It was so amazing. And
Grabe
I
yun.
wanted to know, what is one word that describes your collective headspace as of right now?
Definitely fulfilled. We have gone through so much and we waited for this day so much. And Sonara really came from just a sketch, an idea, just a dream in our hearts. And it's just so fulfilling that we are finally here. It finally happened. And we're so grateful for everyone who's shown love and support to Sonara. Thank you so much, guys.
Taray, ganda.
Ang cute nyo magsalita no, ang lambing. Ang sweet, no? Maminahon yung boses, tapos yung pilantik ng nung, ano ba? Guys, mga ano ba? para kang hinihili, no? Ang cute, no? Migume!
Everyone who's shown love and support to Sonara. Thank you so much, guys.
Taray, ganda. Pwede na mag-miss you. Sino naman ako? Kailangan ko lang mag-English. But yeah, okay.
Parang Miss Universe yung mga, no? Yung mga sagutan, yung mga boses, no? Di ba? Parang pang beauty queen ba?
Miss you. Pwede mag-Tagalog. Chill lang naman ako. Kailangan ko lang mag-English. But yeah, okay. No, okay.
Pwede mag-Tagalog.
But yeah, ang ganda. It was fun seeing all of you perform on stage officially, no, nang debut na yung song ninyo. And was there close to like 1,000 people? Alam niyo ba yung specific number of people who attended the Escolta? Hindi, no? 5 million.
Street lang yun. Street lang. Maliit lang na pinakang street sa Escolta yun. Pero, paano yun pa-crossing yun Pati. Parang ganun, ano? Pero punong-puno yun. Grabe. Ang daming tao doon, di ba? No? Let's go.
Manifest.
Balik.
The Escolta, no? Hindi, no? 5 million. Manifest. One day. You are currently pioneering a certain specific sound that banks on resiliency and journey nyo being tough girls, no? And I wanted to know that when it comes to your vocal delivery and performance as a group, how do you define what is grit for you guys? Ganon.
Actually, yung sound po ni Sonara, it comes from our own individuality. Kasi po parang kapag nagpe-perform po kami, nade-deliver po namin siya in a different way. Like, very distinct po kami with each other. So, kahit iba-iba po man kami, pag magpe-perform po kami, parang nagiging one strong identity siya.
Oh, okay. Yung iba, like, ganun. Kasi you've mentioned individuality, baka may ibang ideas. Siguro si parang teacher si Tin. Sige.
Yes po. Actually, agree po ako kay Eureka po. Kasi ever since po sa start, di po namin in-expect kung gaano kaganda yung mabubuo kapag pinagsabay po kami lahat. We're powerful po together. Kaya I'm so thankful po na we are Sonara po ngayon.
Yes. Syempre, even as 7 individuals, you all have like the same goals in mind. Meron kayo long-term goals. And I wanted to ask this,
Saka
like,
maganda sana no, malaman natin kung saan sila nanggaling bago sila magsunara, no. Tulad ng SB19, di ba? So bago sila mapunta ng SB19, may kanya-kanya silang parang pinanggalingan, no. So sana magkaroon ng ganun ng Sonara, magkaroon ng vlogs, magkaroon ng parang show break like SB19 na ganito ganyan, no. Yeah, yung mga documentary sana malaman natin. Yun yung parang gusto kong hinihintay ko sa kanila eh. Kasi doon ko nagustuhan ng SB19 before, no. Sabi ko, ito pala yung SB19, ganto galing bago nag SB19 si ganto, si ganyan galing ng di ba? Sana malaman din natin na may ganun din yung Sonara bawat isa sa kanila, no. Kaya gusto ko manood ng mga interviews nila para talagang marinig natin sa kanila mismo manggagaling na galing kami dito, galing kami dyan. So, soon sana ganun.
as 7 individuals, you all have like the same goals in mind. Meron kayo long-term goals. And I wanted to ask this, like, as a girl group, being the first girl group under Onesie Entertainment, and of course with the support of Universal Music Group Philippines and Republic Records, how does having the support of this as in global na ito, how does having their support influence your vision, your long-term goals for the future?
Actually, pressure po talaga. Kasi, first of all, Onesie, we have this motto of breaking the norms po talaga. And we have this UMG Republic Records. And it's just so pressuring, but we actually welcome this kind of pressure. This pressure is a blessing po because it pushes us to become a better version of ourselves, both as a person and an artist. And actually, yung pressure din po na to, nag-push po sa amin mag-produce pa ng art. Yeah. So we're just so blessed, so thankful that we are being guided by both Onesie and UMG.
Ganda.
And they also encourage us to dream big, dream fearlessly talaga. Well, of course, at the same time, still, sticking to our identity as a person and Sonara too, with that goal of uplifting P-pop and OPM all together.
Oh, P-pop rise, diba, as they would say.
So nakakabilib din talaga ang Onesie Entertainment. Piruin nyo, no? So 2 years silang nag-training ang Sonara. So 2 years bago nila inilabas, ipinakilala, no? So talagang masasabi natin na talagang niluto ng gusto, kumbaga pinahinog ng gusto, no, para paglabas is eto na, no, hindi yung paputso-putso lang na basta-basta ipakilala na ganito tapos, di ba? So nakita natin sa kanila talaga nung nag-debut sila, no? Tapos nung unang performance pa lang dun sa WAS nga ng SB19, talagang grabe na, no? Ibang-iba, no? Kala mo talaga sila, yung professional na yung parang sanay na sa concert, 'di ba? Alam natin na parang sila syempre first time nila 'yun eh, 'di ba? Masabi natin, first timer to sa ganito kalaki pang stage na nag-perform, no? Tapos eto na agad, no? So ganun yung ginawa ng Onesie, talagang hininog nila ng gusto, talagang hindi pa pwedeng pag nakitaan pa namin kayo ng hindi perfect yung performance niyo sa mga rehearsal, sa mga practice, no. So hindi namin kayo ipapakilala, no. So parang ganun, no, kailangan pag nilabas namin kayo, eto na kayo, pang, 'di ba? Eto na ang Sonara. Ganun yung pinaka goosebumps nung napanood ng karamihan doon sa WAS concert nga ng SB19, na nasasabi, sobrang gagaling. 'Di ba? So, parang mga pa sila nito, parang isipin mo parang pa sila, yung parang since nag-uumpisa or simula pa lang nila, nasabi mong grabe, hinog na. Ganun nung Onesie, kaya nakakabilib talaga ang Onesie na, 'di ba? Hindi pwedeng basta-basta, kumbaga kailangan paglabas, Ito na. Diba? Tuloy natin to.
Of uplifting P-pop and OPM all together.
Oh, P-pop rice, diba, as they would say. You don't feel any pressure. Tapos, since you've mentioned yung individuality ninyo, you're like, you know, being grounded in that sense, I wanted to ask, like, how do you ensure yung each individuality ninyo, mapa-voice man
Yan ang inaano
or
ko, iniisip.
personality, while at the same time maintaining yung synergy ninyo as Sonar as a whole?
Siguro po gusto ko lang po yung i-share yung naging process namin sa Tabi, pagbuo ng Tabi and sa music video po. Since 7 nga po kami, different minds, perspectives, preferences. Actually po, nakikita po talaga namin yung na-strength po ng group namin. Yeah, so minamake sure po talaga na namin na lahat po dito like makakapag-bring ng ideas, ng mga preferences po sa table. Pero syempre, at the end of the day po, we always choose what's going to be the best for the group po. And sa process po na yun, like, for us, na-show pa rin po namin yung individuality namin and staying in sync as one pa rin po.
You've mentioned na Tabi, so let's go with Tabi, no? Na I feel like a lot of people have seen this all over the internet. In-explain nyo yung iba't ibang meaning ng Tabi, but I wanted to ask, like, among those meanings, which one stands out the most for all of you?
Okay.
I think for Tabi po talaga, it really means empowerment po, and it also can lead towards woman empowerment, but also at the same time, parang uplifting po the others and reminding them that you're not alone because we're here. And parang sinasabi din po ng song na tabi, like tabihan kita, tabihan mo
Yun.
ko, or samahan kita, like you don't have to face it alone because we're all here. And parang supporting each other lang po talaga.
Because a lot of people, yung
So double meaning, no? Parang gano'n, no? Tabi, tumabi ka sa akin, kung gusto mo kami, halika dito ka sa amin. Kung ayaw mo sa amin, parang doon ka, no? Doon ka, tumabi ka doon. Di ba? Parang sa doon ka rin ng SB19, di ba? So double meaning para sa akin yan, no? Tabi. Tabi, tumabi ka.
Because
Let's
we're
go.
all here. And parang supporting each other lang po talaga.
Because a lot of people, yung inisip agad nila sa Tabi is like, move, diba? Move. Pero pwede ngayon tabihan eh. When Tin explained that, sabi ko,
Yan
oo
na,
nga,
kasabi
no?
ko lang.
Actually, baka may pandagdag ako. Pwede pag binaligtad yung Tabi.
Iba?
Ibat, diba? Parang siyang ibat-iba. So parang ibat-iba.
Pwede rin. Ang galing din nito, ano. So, idea rin yun, ha. Tama naman, ibat, no. Iba't iba, parang gano'n, ano. Okay,
Diba?
good.
Parang siyang ibat-iba. So parang ibat-iba. Oh, bars!
Bars.
Gets mo agad. Diba? True, kasi you are different in
Iba't
all of
iba.
your personalities and your individuality, but at the same time, para kayong together pa rin as one. Ganda, okay. Sariling pure. I wanted to ask, like, ano yung naging headspace ninyo performing live for the first time, no? It was at Wakas at Simula. Yun yung pinaka-first, no? And then you got to Aurora.
Aurora.
And then ngayon sa Escolta. I wanted to know which among those three yung siguro pinaka nerve-wracking na lang, yung pinaka na-pressure kayo na parang, oh my gosh, we're gonna be
Was.
on stage. Ito na yon, girls, ganon.
Sa simula. Sa was.
Oh my gosh.
Iba-iba po eh. Kasi nung Wakas at Simula po, first time po namin
Yun.
perform. Sa Aurora naman po, first ever like malaking festival.
Oo.
Tapos sa Escolta naman po, debut talaga namin. So iba-ibang atake.
Ibang
po talaga
levels
siya.
of,
Opo.
kabagan yan.
Pero hindi alam ko mas malaki ang was. Concert ng SB19. Ang dami dun eh. Yeah, mas marami pala yung Aurora. Sa bagay, siguro sa Aurora yung sinasabi nito ni Eureka, no? Yung iba't ibang mga artist kasi yung nag-perform doon. So, parang masasabi niyang malaki yan kasi maraming fandom na nandun, iba't iba. Yung mga supporters ng mga iba't ibang artist. No? Baka galing yung sinasabi ni Eureka. No? Kasi kung sa was concert ng SB19 is ano yun, puro 18 talaga doon. No? So yun, tapos yun sa debut naman, yun. So iba't iba nga. Okay? Tuloy.
Debut talaga namin. So iba-ibang atake.
Ibang
po talaga
levels
siya.
of,
Opo.
kabagan yan.
So tatlong best po kaming nangarag.
siguro ito. Ano
Narag talaga.
yung concert na pinaka nahirapan kayong makatulog right after? Or right before pala?
Right din lahat.
Kawawa naman, hindi na nakatulog. Okay,
Lahat yun.
sige. And I wanted to
Walang napili.
ask
Okay.
this as well. We're midway through 2026 and you've stated na itong debut nyo is a bold statement of intent and intentional kayo sa paglabas nyo ng music, for performing as well. I wanted to know, like, what do you guys hope to achieve by the end of this year? So let's start small, ganon.
Oh, Actually po, like, seeing everything, P-pop is in a very good position right now with all the biggest, like, bigger acts reaching the global scene. And as Sonara, we've always talked about how we really want to uplift P-pop and contribute to that rise as well, especially now that we're introducing a new sound, fusion of hip-hop and R&B. We hope to expand the range of what we can bring po sa P-pop. And yun po talaga, we really want to stay true to our culture and share that to a bigger audience. Hopefully.
Okay, this one is
Ang kulit talaga ng boses ni Megumi, no? Since ano siya, no, half Japanese, half Filipina, no? Pero ang cute talaga ng boses niya.
That to a bigger audience. Hopefully.
Okay, this one is siguro lang for those who are listening for the first time here din sa on air. They could search this up, but I also want to hear from you guys. What does Sonara mean? Yung name meaning ng group.
Okay, yan, may meaning na.
Actually, there's 3 anagrams po in Sonar. There's Sonar, Nara, and Sora. So Sonar, we talk about our sound beyond what you can see. It's really our stories and our voices. Sora po, we pay tribute to Tandang Sora po for compassion.
Wait lang. Sonar, tapos Tandang Sora, at saka Nara. Tatlo yan, no? So, okay.
Sora po, we pay tribute to Tandang Sora po for compassion, for her bravery. What she stands for po,
Since puro
we
babae
resonate
sila.
with. And Nara po, it is our national tree. It represents our resilience and our grit as a group.
Yeah.
See, talagang pinag-isipan nila to even with where kayo nag-debut, no? It's a
Galing, no?
cultural site. Escolta, very, very beautiful. Talagang pinapakita niyo yung intentionality with, not only with your music, but with the choices you make throughout your career. Na-notice ko lang, since you're also half Japanese, di ba? There's sa Sora, di ba? Sa Sora in
Yeah.
Japanese means sky. So parang the sky is your limit, guys. So there's no way
Sora
to go
sky.
but up na lang. To outer
Actually,
space.
opo, that's also another meaning for Sora. It's the limitless possibilities, our potential po. And X, it also represents anybody.
The X Factor.
Inclusivity.
Ganda. Okay. One last question before I let you go. Hindi ko to nakita kasi ang dami talagang tao sa Escolta. But your pop-up booths featured a DIY charm station. I've seen mga ganon. I've tried. And then, unfortunately, nawala yung mga charms na nakuha ko. So, natakot ako. But for all of you individually, para marinig ko rin kayo lahat, if you had to pick one specific charm to represent the personality of the member sitting next to you na lang. Kaso 7 kayo, paano kaya yun? Ano na lang, to the next, to the next, to the next. Or, actually, sige, wag na lang ganon. Ano na lang, specific charm representing you. What would it be? Start naman tayo. Sige, kayo, ka na lang mag-start.
Ako po, siguro, wala akong maiisip right now, pero anything na green.
Oh my God.
Anything na green po siguro.
Okay. Jade, pwede, ganyan. Sige.
Ako din po, like, nung gumawa po ako ng charm, puro pink po siya. So, anything pink mo talaga.
Any pink item? Sige, okay. Sige, Megumi.
I don't know if there was a charm like this, but para yung music note po, cause like music is live everywhere, like it moves through my body and
Wow.
I can't live without music.
Team kami ni Megumi, music. Since ako, music din. Music note. Meron ako sa body ko niyan eh. Ay, sa balat.
Cause like music is live everywhere, like it moves through my body and
Wow.
I can't live without music.
Okay. God of music nga kanina.
Yeah.
Dominic.
Siguro po sa charm, I think I'm more in the minimalist side, more mysterious. Mysterious! Ano yun? Pero yeah, I think I'm more of that side po.
Okay. Okay na yung mysterious, biglang Dapat nonchalant daw pag mysterious. Sige. Okay, mysterious and minimalist. Sige, Lay.
Ako naman po yung ginawa ko po yung charm, iba't iba po yung kinuha ko na color. Kasi wala po talaga akong maisip. Tapos, nung time po na nalaglag po talaga siya. Kaya,
Nagdagdag pa ng
Opo,
ibang
nahihirapan
color
ako.
brown.
Parang ang astig ng boses ni Lay, no? Pansin ko lang, iba, ano? Parang ano, ang angas ng boses.
nung
Diba?
time po na nalaglag po talaga siya. Kaya,
Nagdagdag pa ng
Opo,
ibang color
nahihirapan po
brown.
may black, may pink, basta iba-iba po siya.
Diverse ang gusto mo. Okay, sige.
Wow.
Tin.
Sa akin naman po is heart.
Like,
Kasi if napansin niyo po, fun fact din to sa Sonara, is symbol po namin heart. And kaya din po red yung color namin kasi it represents blood din po sa heart.
Yeah,
Kasi
blood.
we want to make art as humans for humans also. Kaya,
Grabe lahat may meaning, no? Oo nga. Grabe. Hindi ko siya pagtatanong. Like, ang ganda kasi it means very pinag-isipan nyo siya.
Intentional.
Ella, ikaw naman.
For me po, it would be also hard, but the clear heart po. Because I think like as a group, we're very transparent. How we write our music, it's really from the heart. It's really from us. It's clear like that. Yeah.
So at this point, parang you guys are all transparent with each other. Kita rin naman kahit on stage after you performed your song sa Q&A, ang daming na-reveal ng mga fun facts sa inyo. But thank you guys. Hopefully, you have a wonderful day ahead. And you know what? I am ending this interview, of course, with playing your song. But before that, is there anything you guys want to promote before you go?
Okay. If you want to know more about us, please follow us on our social media accounts at Sonara Official or Sonara at Sonara Official. And please stream our newest single, Tabi, available now on all streaming platforms. And don't forget to watch our music video. Nasa YouTube na po siya right now.
Which is such a good music video.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, mamaya babanggitin ko off air. Wala, amin na to guys. People were saying na pwede pa daw kayo mag-sing at 10 p.m. Unfortunately, no, they have something else to do. Kasi kailangan nilang tumabi sa, may mga adventure pa sila. So, we're playing you the debut song, Sonara. It's called Tabi here on today's Best Music. We are Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.
Okay, so World Pop with Sonara, mga madam. Interview nila mula dito sa Magic 89.9, today's Best Music. Okay, yan, so may mga nalaman na naman tayo about sa ating mga mahal na pito. Mahal na pito, which is yung Sonara. Di ba? So yun, may mga narinig tayo na panibago na namang kaalaman about sa kanila, no? Pero yung talagang gusto kong malaman is wala pa, hindi ko pa naririnig mula sa kanila, no? Which is yung kung saan sila talaga nanggaling, kung saan sila yung pinagmulan nila bago sila nag-Sonara. Ang cute nila, no? The way yung magsalita sila, ibang-iba, no? Lalo si Megume tsaka si Lay. Siyempre si Ella. Di ba? Yan, so parang sanay na sila. Masabi ko talagang parang like SB19 na pagka tinanong mo, andyan na yung sagot, no? Wala mang hindi man kailangan i-explain pa nila. Umaga talagang andon yung parang pagiging professional ng pitong to, no? Kaya sabi ko talagang may future para sa pagiging sikat buong mundo talaga, like SB19. Di ba? So iba talaga pagka Onesie Entertainment, no? Talagang hindi sila talaga maglalabas ng artist na hindi talaga hinog na hinog. Kumbaga na. Ito pansinin niyo, no, sa mga interview, 'di ba? Na yung mga sagutan talagang parang, 'di ba? Alam mo yun, yung walang pa ano, talagang sagot kung sagot, 'di ba? So yun, no? Napaka na masabi natin, napaka professional talaga nila ng lahat, no? Okay, yan, so mga madam, mga sir, mga repa, thank you so much again sa pagsama sa akin sa video na to. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga susunod na upload, sa mga update ng Mahalima SB19, same time syempre ng Sonara nga po dito nga po sa aking channel. Thank you so much once again, Dog City, be peace sa mga. Yeah, bye bye, God bless out.